Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is nothing but it is a Good Vibes Papaya face mask review. So I thought it's a good time to review this product because I've been using this a bit while. Before going to this video, you know the drill. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon given there. So yeah, not further any wasting any time, let's jump to the video. New Indian brand which is only available in purple.com. So they have variety of product ranging to face wash, mask, and gel, cream, sheet mask, and so on. So today I thought that I should really review about this product. And yeah, so Good Vibe bring you total carefully chosen and freshly hand pickups ingredients of their farmlands across their remoted corner of the India. And they also combine them with it's like it pamper your face with a goodness of gold, Good Vibes Papaya face mask, and get smooth and supple skin, and it help in every tone and complexion and giving a glowing skin, and crafted with a passion, skills, fresh ingredients. And after all, in a life you need a love fresh glow on your face, that is called Good Vibe. Your skincare routine which take you one step closer to the healthy and a glowing skin, and transform your skin with the Good Vibes Papaya Glow mask, and it fit with the pigmentation and leave the skin supply. Papaya might be contains to diminish the scars and the blemishes. It deeply nourishes and remove the tan from your skin. It also control the acne prone breakout and the redness of your appeared wrinkles. The packaging of the bottle is the plastic one. It does not signify it's sturdy, but then too it's good enough to travel friendly, and they don't have any spatula provided, so therefore you have to get one apply from your hand. Try this on a regular basis for at least for 2 months. So mostly I got product. I have almost empty 50 grams of tube about this product. Well, it is like a clay mask and all about the texture. It comes easily spread and it smells like a chemical papaya would smell like. Nothing like bother me about my nose, but I was afraid since I have combination skin, and might be it get affected, or it might get breakouts because of the papaya. Comment to all skin type, all skin types love it. If you are into DIY, or you might skip it, but if you loving using face mask, then go and try this product. Is nothing but 225 rupees only, but you might get in a sale most of the time. The prawns, it's like it make your skin soft, make your skin smooth, help you acne and pimple, clear your skin, refresh and bright your face, creamy finish, fade away the mask, and affordable too. Product I did not found it anything. That's all for the video. Hope you like my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon given there that you get notified to my all videos. Until then, bye, I'll see you in the next video.